Welcome to our video on the life and lessons of Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan was a leader who conquered much of the known world in the 13th century, creating the largest contiguous empire in history. But his legacy goes beyond just his military conquests. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the key life lessons that we can learn from Genghis Khan and how we can implement them in our own lives. First, let's start with a brief background on Genghis Khan. Born in 1162 in what is now Mongolia, Genghis Khan was the leader of the Mongol tribes, and through a combination of military strategy, diplomacy, and sheer force of will, he was able to unite the tribes and create a powerful empire. But it wasn't just his military prowess that made him a great leader. Genghis Khan was also known for his intelligence, resourcefulness, and ability to adapt to changing circumstances. One of the biggest lessons we can learn from Genghis Khan is the importance of unity. Genghis Khan was able to unite the warring Mongol tribes and create a powerful empire. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by building strong relationships and working together towards a common goal. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are working on a project at work, and you have a team of people working with you. If you can create a sense of unity and cooperation among your team members, you will accomplish much more than if everyone is working independently. Another key lesson is the importance of adaptability. Genghis Khan was able to adapt to changing circumstances and make decisions that were in the best interest of his empire. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by being open-minded and flexible, and being willing to change our plans when necessary. For example, let's say you are running a business and the market conditions change. If you are adaptable and willing to change your strategies, you will be more likely to survive and thrive in the new market conditions. Another example of Genghis Khan's adaptability is when he faced a powerful enemy in the Krem Empire. The Krem Empire had a powerful navy, and Genghis Khan had never faced such a force before. However, instead of giving up, he quickly adapted and found a way to defeat them by using a scorched earth strategy, destroying the enemy's food and water supplies, forcing them to surrender. Finally, we can learn from Genghis Khan's determination and persistence. He faced many challenges and setbacks but was always determined to achieve his goals. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by setting clear goals and working towards them with determination and persistence, even when faced with obstacles. For example, let's say you are trying to learn a new skill. If you are determined and persistent, you will be more likely to achieve your goal, despite any challenges you may face along the way. Another key lesson we can learn from Genghis Khan is the power of strategy and planning. He was known for his military strategy and his ability to outmaneuver his enemies. In our own lives, we can apply this lesson by planning and strategizing before taking action. For example, let's say you are trying to achieve a personal goal. If you take the time to plan and strategize your actions, you will be more likely to achieve your goal. So, those are just a few of the life lessons that we can learn from Genghis Khan. By understanding his legacy and how he was able to achieve such great success, we can apply these lessons to our own lives and become more effective leaders and more successful individuals. Thank you for watching this video. To help us keep releasing more content rapidly, click on the like and subscribe button.